months ago, I had some hickory trees cut down and made these blanks, but this one has split. But I had another one that I cut straight in half, and I'm beginning to mill it on the lathe to make 2 mallets. I'm not sure what I can do with that one because of these splits, and this knot has split too. So I don't know about that, but I'll show you what I did with the other one. I ripped the other one completely in half, and I wanted to make a chalice out of half of it, and then I want to make 2 mallets out of the other one. So it was the same size as this, and I'm going to make 2 mallets out of it, and I'll show you that. So again, this is hickory, so it's very hard. And here's one mallet, here's the other mallet, the heads. I don't know what I'll make the handle out of, but I've got a lot of walnut back here, so I could probably split one of those down and mill that into a handle. That one right there, it's long enough. I could probably use that. Walnut. But I put this on the lathe and milled it round. And this doesn't take much. I mean, I'll just cut these with a separating tool and try to make 2 mallets out of it. These are the 2 hickory mallets. I have to find center and drill a hole. I'm going to do it on this drill press. So I'll probably figure out where center is. Put another piece over here so it doesn't move, and then clamp it down in place so it really stays still, because it's got to be completely parallel for the handle to sit in there nice and straight at a right angle. So I'll make 2 of those. I'll mill the handles first. So I have these walnut pieces. They're not going to be very big. I'm thinking maybe I should, yeah, I think they're too small. I think I need to find heavier duty handles. See what else I've got. I could use a log. See what else. I've certainly got enough wood. Got all that wood back there. Most of that's cut for bowl making though. Maybe this piece right here. Oh, that's pretty cool, but it's too short. See what else I got. This, I believe, is a piece of mahogany. You can tell it's mahogany looking at it there. And I think I would cut it, well, whatever this width is, maybe it's half and half. It's too long, but that might work. And it's straight grain, so it should hold up well. So I'm gonna rip this mahogany down the middle and figure out that the size of the, about 1.5 inch diameter. And I don't know, it's kind of small, but the mallets are small, so I think that'll work just fine. So I made 2 mallets. This is hickory, the head is hickory, handle is mahogany. I filled in that crack with some milliput, and I'll sand that down and clean it up later. This one fit in there perfectly, but there's no shape in this handle like there is in this handle. Carved in a little handle. But anyway, put a little piece in there like this in there to spread out the handle. Did it in this one too. You can't really see it, which is good. It's mahogany. So they're gifts for my workers.